Today I am reviewing the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifiers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're struggling with allergies, dust, smoke, or just want cleaner indoor air, the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifiers 2-pack is designed to improve air quality in large spaces and make your home environment noticeably healthier and more comfortable. Right from the start, one of the biggest advantages of this system is its coverage. Each unit is capable of cleaning air in rooms up to 1,000 square feet. That means this 2-pack setup can effectively cover multiple rooms or larger living spaces, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or even apartments where air circulation is a concern. The core of its performance comes from a powerful 3-layer filtration system. This includes a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and an activated carbon layer. Each stage plays a specific role in cleaning the air. The pre-filter captures larger particles like dust and pet hair. The HEPA filter then goes deeper, trapping extremely fine particles like pollen, smoke, and allergens. Finally, the activated carbon layer helps reduce odors and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which are commonly found in household products and cooking fumes. In real-world use, this means the air you breathe becomes noticeably cleaner over time. According to performance testing, it can filter up to 99.9% of airborne pollutants, including extremely small particles far smaller than human hair. That level of filtration is especially important for people with allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to dust and smoke. One of the most important benefits users notice is the improvement in allergy symptoms. When airborne irritants like pollen, pet dander, and dust are continuously removed from the air, breathing becomes easier, especially during sleep. Many users report better sleep quality simply because the air feels fresher and less irritating at night. Another strong feature is the smart particle sensor system. The purifier continuously monitors air quality in real time. If it detects an increase in pollutants, it automatically adjusts fan speed to clean the air more aggressively. Once the air is clean again, it reduces power to maintain efficiency. This means you don't need to constantly adjust settings. It manages itself based on your environment. The sleep mode is another important feature, especially for bedrooms. In this mode, the purifier runs at a much quieter level, allowing it to clean the air throughout the night without disturbing sleep. This makes it ideal for light sleepers or anyone sensitive to background noise. Despite its powerful performance, the unit is designed to operate quietly even during normal use. This balance between efficiency and noise control makes it suitable for continuous 24/7 operation in homes, offices, or shared spaces. Another advantage is that it is backed by multiple certifications and testing standards, including CARB, ETL, ISO, and UL. These certifications help confirm that the purifier meets strict safety and performance standards, which adds confidence in its reliability. The system is also designed for continuous use, meaning you can leave it running all day and night without worry. Air purification is most effective when it runs consistently, and this device is built for exactly that purpose. In terms of maintenance, the filters will eventually need replacement, depending on usage and air quality, but the overall design is straightforward and user-friendly. The filter system is easy to access and replace, which helps keep long-term maintenance simple. From a health perspective, having cleaner indoor air can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Whether it's reducing morning congestion, minimizing allergy flare-ups, or simply making the home feel fresher, air purifiers like this play a significant role in improving indoor living conditions. It is especially useful for households with pets, smokers, or people living in urban environments where outdoor air pollution can easily enter indoor spaces. Even cooking odors and everyday household smells are reduced thanks to the activated carbon filtration layer. Overall, the PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier system delivers a strong combination of coverage, filtration power, and ease of use. It is designed for people who want a simple but effective way to improve indoor air quality without complicated setup or maintenance. If your goal is cleaner air, reduced allergens, and a more comfortable living environment, this 2-pack system offers a practical and reliable solution for everyday home use.